In this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to remove your ECU from your 790 or 890 Adventure in preparation to have it shipped off for tuning. First thing we're going to do is remove the seat. Next, remove the battery cover. Once you remove the battery cover, disconnect your battery using an 8mm socket. After removing the battery, take off the battery hold down. It's not necessary, but gives better access to the ECU when you start to get it pulled out. Remove the battery, ensuring that you don't lose the nuts that are inside the terminals here. Unhook the two clips on top of the ECU, the right one first, push it all the way forward, lift straight up on the cable, and then the left side, making sure you push it all the way forward till it clicks, pull up and out of the way. The ECU is housed inside of a rubber sheath, and there are tabs on the right and left side of the ECU that you have to move out of the way in order to pull the ECU out. Now this is what the ECU housing looks like with the tank removed and the battery off of the bike. You can see there's a little plastic tab right here, and you're going to just wedge the screwdriver in between that tab and the rubber housing here and pull up. And there's also one on this side, which you'll do the same thing. To remove the ECU, place a small slotted screwdriver in between the tab and the rubber housing and pull up hard on the ECU, ensuring that you don't damage the terminals. Then place it on the other side, pulling up. It takes a bit of force, but not so much force that you hurt or damage the ECU. But once you have those clips out of the way, you can pull straight up on the unit itself and it will slide out.